Navigation is a key part of any website. In this video, we'll make a responsive sidebar using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We'll build it step by step, from structure to styling to interactivity, and I'll explain each step along the way. Stick around till the end, and let's get started. I have created a folder that contains 3 files, one each for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have also added a background image for the website and placed it inside an image folder. Now, let's proceed creating our sidebar. Just a quick tip, before starting to create any website we should set the universal selector margin and padding as 0. This step removes the unnecessary spaces from our website. This is considered a good practice. For now, we will comment our body background image. The very first thing which we need is a hamburger menu icon. So, for that we need to use Font Awesome icons. To use Font Awesome icons you need to create your free account in fontawesome.com. After that you will get a JavaScript code CDN. You need to paste that code CDN inside your head section of your HTML code. Now, you are good to use Font Awesome icons. It's time to give some styling to our hamburger menu. Our hamburger menu looks amazing. Now it's time to design our Side Navbar. Note, we are using VH and VW for height and width, which is viewport height and viewport width. The viewport is the visible area of a web page inside the browser window, and in CSS, 1 VH equals 1% of the viewport's height while 1 VW equals 1% of the viewport's width. This makes our sidebar responsive for any device we are using. We need one more closing icon from Font Awesome for our Side Navbar. Asterisk refers to universal selector, which means applying any style to it will affect the entire web page. Our design for the page is almost done. Now, let's proceed with writing the JavaScript for our code. The logic for the JavaScript is simple. Whenever we will click on the hamburger option, it will go display none and the sidebar display will be block. Similarly, whenever we will click on the closing button of sidebar, the sidebar will go display none and hamburger will be display block. Seems like we have selected the wrong element. In place of selecting the hamburger element, we need to select the div carrying that icon. Lastly, a small styling modification. Our menu options went to left instead of center, so we need to fix it out. That's all in this video. I hope I was able to explain you all the concepts used in this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification. If possible, share with your friends and also comment your suggestions. Thanks for watching till the end. Bye.